Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Darunam. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, third semester. Today we are going to discuss about Java. In that Java, we are going to discuss about small topic, mastering operator precedence. Mastering operator precedence, a guide to programming language. In the world of programming, understanding operator precedency is crucial for writing code that functions are instead. The presentation will guide you through incorrect world of operators and how they interact, empowering you to write efficient and error-free code. Welcome to the exploration of operator precedency, a fundamental concept in programming language that dedicates the order in which concept in programming language and dedicates the order in which operator are performed. Understanding operator precedency is crucial for writing accurate and efficient code. This presentation will develop into various types of operator, their priority levels and best practices of managing precedency in your code. What are operator precedence? The hierarchical of operations. Operation precedence determine the order in which operator are evaluated in an expression. It follows a specific hierarchy where certain operation takes precedency over other. The hierarchy is similar to the order of operation in mathematics with operators higher and hierarchy being evaluated first. For example, multiplication and division have higher precedency and addition and subtraction. Impact on code execution. The order of operations can significantly affect the outcome of expression. Understanding precedence ensures that calculate and performs instead leading to predictable result. What is operator precedency? Operator precedency defines that order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. It's like a hierarchy with an expression where certain operators take precedence over other. The operation will higher precedence is evaluated first. For instance, consider the expression 2 plus 3 into 4. In this case, multiplication has higher precedency than addition. Therefore, the multiplication 3 into 4 is evaluated first, resulting in 12, and then addition 2 plus 12 is performed, giving as 14. Operator precedency determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. It ensures the complex expression are evaluated consistently regardless of the programming language. Without precedence rule, expression could be interrupted in multiple ways, leading to unpredictable and potential incorrect results. Precedency clarifies the order of operations, making code more reliable and easier to understand. Arithmetic operations. Multiplication multiplies two operands. 3 into 2 result is 6. Division divides the first operand by second. 10 divided by 2 results in 5. Subtraction subtract the second operator from the first. 8 minus 3 result in the 5. Addition add two operators. 5 plus 3 result in 8. Modulo returns the remainder of the division. 10 modulo 3 results in 1. Relational operations greater than checks if the left operand is greater than and the right operand 5 greater than 2 result in true. Less than checks the if left operand is less than the right operand. 3 less than 5 result is true. Greater than or equal to checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. 5 greater than or equal to 5 result is true. Less than or equal to checks if the left operand is less than or equal to right operand. 3 less than or equal to 5 result is true. Assignment operation. Assignment is equals to assign the value on right hand side to variable on left hand side. For example, x is equals to 5. Add and assign plus or equal adds the right hand operand to the left hand operand to assign the result to the left hand operand. Subtract and assign. Subtract the right hand operand from the left hand operand and assign the result to left hand operand. Multiply and assign. multiplies the right hand operand with the left hand operand, then assign the result to the left hand operand. Divide and assign. Divide the left hand operand and the right hand operand, then assign the result to the left hand operand. Modulo and assign. Calculate the remainders of dividing the left hand operand by the right hand operand and the result is right. Logical logical operators. Logical and returns the truth if both operands are true. Logical or returns the true if at least one operand is true. Logical not inverts the boolean value of an operand. True result in false, false result in true. Bitwise operation. Bitwise and performs a bitwise AND operation and operate each bit of the result is set to 1 only if both corresponding bits in the operands are 1. Bitwise XOR performs a bitwise XOR operation on the operating each bit of the result is set to 1 if 1 is corresponding bit in the operand are different. Bitwise NOT flips the bit of operand 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. Bitwise OR performs bitwise OR operation on operand. Each bit of the result is said to be 1 if at least one corresponding bit in the bits in the operation is 1. Best practices for managing operator precedence. Use use Pantheness. Whenever there is a doubt about in the order of operation, use Pantheness to exploit, define, and deserved evaluation order. The engines code clarity and avoids ambiguity. Prototypes and readability. Write a code that is easy to understand and maintain. Avoid excess use of complex expression and rely ability to implement precedence if necessary. Break down expression into simpler parts. Consult documentation. Every programming language has specific rules for operation. Operator precedency refers to the language documentation for comprehensive understanding of the hierarchy and association of operators. Precedence and precedence. Precedence override precedence. Expression with precedence and evaluated first. Operations with precedence are evaluated according to their own precedence. Best practices of operator precedence. Use precedence liberally, avoid unnecessary complexity, prioritize readability and maintainability, test your code thoroughly. Precedence rule. Highest precedence. Highest precedence. Operator with highest precedence are evaluated first. For example, multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. Lower precedence. Operator will have lower precedence evaluated after these higher precedence. For example, logical and as higher precedence than logical or associativity. When operators have the same precedence associated, it determines the order of evaluation. Left to right associative means operators are evaluated from left to right. Operator associative. Left to right versus right to left. Associative dedicates order in which operators the same precedency are evaluated in the appear consecutively in the expression. It can be either left to right or right to left. Left to right. Most operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are left associative. This means they are evaluated from right to left. For example, 10 minus 5 plus 2 would first subtract 5 from 10, then 10, and then add 2 from the 2 to the result. Right to left. Some operators such as assignment and exponential are right associative. This means they are evaluated from right to left. For example, x is equals to y is equals to 5 would first assign the 5 to y and then assign the value of y which is now 5 to x. Ternary operation conditional expression. Ternary operation provides a consequent way to express conditional expression. It takes three operands in a condition value to be returned if the condition is true and the value to be returned if the condition is false. The syntax is condition value if true, if value if false. For example, the expression x greater than 0 positive, non-positive will will return positive if x is greater than 0 and non-positive otherwise. Benefits: the ternary operator is often preferred for its readability and brevity compared to the traditional if-else statement. However, it's crucial to use it carefully to maintain code clarity and avoid excess nesting. Avoiding ambiguity. Operator precedence and associative are crucial for preventing ambiguity expression. For example, expression 2 plus 3 into 4 can be interpreted differently depending on the order of operation. However, using parentheses making it instead order operation clear ensure that expression is evaluated correctly. Understanding operator precedence is essential for writing correct and predictable code. It helps avoiding ambiguity in complex expression and ensure consistent evaluation across different programming languages. Always use precedence to clarify the order of operation and ensure the code reliability. Remember to test your code thoroughly to verify that it behaves as intended, especially when dealing with operator precedence. By mastering these concepts, you can write more reliable, efficient, and maintainable code. Thank you for watching.